When you look at the moon, do you wonder how many there are in our solar system? There are at least 146 moons orbiting planets that astronomers know of in our solar system. Here are some examples of some more well-known moons in our solar system. There could be millions in the universe. The universe is considered to be everything, including planets, stars, solar systems, galaxies, and moons. The universe is so big that scientists measure the distance in light years, which is the distance light travels in a year. A light year is 9,460,730,472,580.8 kilometers. A galaxy is smaller than a universe. Our galaxy is the Milky Way. A galaxy is a large group of stars and planets. There are countless galaxies in the universe. The Milky Way is just one. There are billions of stars in a galaxy. A star is a ball of gas in space that gives off light. There are different types of stars, including white dwarfs, protostars, and blue giants. Our sun is a star. Any star that is at the center of a system of planets is considered a sun. Our sun is at the center of our solar system. Our solar system has 8 planets, 5 dwarf planets, at least 146 moons, and an unknown amount of asteroids and comets. The solar system sounds like a busy place, but there is a lot of space. For example, there is 149,600,000 kilometers between the planet Earth and the Sun. The IAU, International Astronomical Union, resolves that planets and other bodies in our solar system, except satellites, be defined into 3 distinct categories. A planet is defined as a celestial body that is in orbit around the Sun, has enough mass and gravity to form a nearly round shape, and has cleared a path in its orbit. A dwarf planet, such as Pluto, is defined as a celestial body that is in orbit around the Sun, has enough mass or gravity to form a nearly round shape, has not cleared a path in its orbit, and is not a satellite. A lot of the images in this presentation have been made possible due to technology such as the Hubble Space Telescope, and also artist impressions.